Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate mix. To start, gather your essential dry ingredients like good quality cocoa powder and granulated sugar. You might also want to include some powdered milk for extra creaminess, especially if you plan to mix it with water later. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to bring out the chocolate flavor. Now, let's talk about boosting that flavor. For a truly rich and thick hot chocolate, consider adding a small amount of cornstarch to your mix. A little instant espresso powder can also deepen the chocolate notes beautifully. Feel free to get creative with spices too, like a dash of cinnamon or even a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Once you have all your chosen ingredients, it's time to mix them. Make sure to thoroughly whisk all the dry ingredients together until they are completely combined and uniform. For storage, transfer your homemade hot chocolate mix into an airtight container. Keeping it in a cool, dry place will ensure it stays fresh and delicious for a long time. When you're ready to enjoy a warm cup, simply add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade mix to your favorite mug. Then, heat up some milk or water until it's steaming hot, but not boiling. Pour the hot liquid over the mix and stir well until everything is fully dissolved and smooth. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.